Hello, my name is Kinsey. I am the brand and web designer behind Kinsey Green Design, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys a little bit about the one concept method. This is the method I utilize when designing custom, one-of-a-kind, bespoke brand identities for my clients. The name itself is pretty self-explanatory, but it basically involves presenting one logo design, one overall direction, and one entire brand identity presentation instead of presenting 3 to 4 logo design concepts and 3 to 4 different directions like most designers do. I've been utilizing this method for multiple years now, and it has been nothing but a success. Prior to using this method, I utilized the 3 to 4 logo design concept method like most other designers. However, I found when utilizing this method, I would spend extra time creating concepts that I knew weren't the strongest, and my client would always end up piecing together one logo design from 2 to 3 of the different concepts I gave them, resulting in something that maybe wasn't the most beneficial for their brand. Which is part of the reason I turned to the one concept method. The one concept method allows me to present an entire brand identity backed by strategy with various examples of how that brand identity works in the real world. This allows my clients to really get an inside look at the reasoning behind all of my design choices, as well as understand how their brand elements work together in real world scenarios and piece together their brand messaging, values, and purpose. It also allows me as the designer to guide my clients in the right direction in terms of design decisions. I'm able to put all of my time and energy into designing an entire brand identity that I know is going to get my clients results and that I know is going to work the best for their brand, instead of spending extra time creating all of those other concepts that I know aren't going to work best. This also allows me to lead with strategy, which is one of the reasons I think the one concept method is so effective. When I present presentations to clients, they are about 7 to 8 minutes long with all sorts of different various slides, and I really get to explain my reasoning behind every little design choice. Whereas when presenting multiple logo design concepts, there's not as much context behind each direction, and clients are often left having to decide for themselves what direction they want to go in, even though they are not the professional in the scenario. Now, I know if you're watching this and you're a newer designer, beginner designer, and maybe even a mid-level designer, the one concept method can seem quite intimidating. However, the first time I ever utilized this method, I actually had no changes on the brand identity I presented to my client. I was completely blown away because up until that point, I had always had to make changes because I was presenting multiple concepts, and as I stated before, clients would try to morph everything into one design. Now I present something that is truly backed by strategy, I can present my reasoning, and I truly believe the one concept method is the most successful approach to take when it comes to building a brand identity. That is pretty much it for the one concept method. Hopefully you guys have learned a little bit more about this method. If you plan to try it, let me know. If you have tried it, let me know how it went. And if you have any concerns or questions about utilizing this method, do let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.